and how to set up the environment variables. And today we will work on how to set up the Pycharm. Pycharm is an editor. Okay, if you want to write Python code, you can use Pycharm editor, using which you can able to write the Python code and able to execute the program, and you can also able to see the output. Okay, so Pycharm is an editor which is basically used for writing the Python code. Okay, so if you want to download the Pycharm, go to this website. Okay, or you can simply jetbrains.com Pycharm download. Okay, you can do like that, or you can simply say Pycharm download. Yeah, so when you click on this one, you can see there are two things, professional and community. Professional is the paid version. Okay, so use the community edition, which is free. In the community, download it. Yeah, keep the default. Click on next. One second. Um, that's okay. Click on next. Install. Let's wait for it to install. Yeah, finish. Yeah, run it. Yeah, finish. Yeah, confirm and continue. Click on new project. Yeah. What is the project name? Python project. Okay, you can say Python demo project. Remove the last name and make it as Python demo project. No, capital P. Start with the capital P. Python capital P. Python demo project. Okay, and you can see that base interpreter. Okay, the base interpreter is looking for the Python where it is installed in your computer. Okay, that's where the Python has installed. It is automatically picked up. Okay, so that's the reason we have to install the Python first, and then we have to install uh, the Python editor, that is called the Pycharm. Okay, now create. It says that download pre-built shared indexes. Okay, yeah, you can say always download. That's not a problem. And Microsoft. Okay, sorry. Okay. So let's remove everything. Just create a simple thing. Okay. Just say print hello, or something like that. Okay. So just save it and then run it. Can you see that hello world is printed? Yes. Okay. So we can create any number of files. So can you select the Python demo project, Mahdis?
Well, from where? Here?
Yeah. Let me select Python demo project, and then do right click and then select new, and then create a Python file. Okay. Let's say demo. Okay. Okay. And here also you can write something. Okay. Print demo to controllers.
Mhm.
Right click and then run demo. Okay,
Okay.
that's demo.py, right? Run demo.